I mentioned in my last speech and in my book that AI is just another tool. I also tried to demystify AI and make it approachable for all. You really don't need to be a techie to use AI effectively. Today, I'll show you how to integrate this tool into your daily routine, whether for work or personal enjoyment. Let's jump right in. Let's see what AI can actually do for us. I'll start with something very simple. AI can answer everyday questions in real time. Watch this. What's the weather like in Anaheim right now? Schedule this as a task titled Daily Weather Report. Run it every morning at 5 a.m. and notify me when it is done. That's not groundbreaking, right? But it shows AI can fetch the info you need instantly. Now let's add a little fun. Tell me a joke about cats. Let's try another one. Give me an inspirational quote and mention the source. See how easy it is to engage with AI? That's step one. Start small, test it, don't overthink it. Now let's tackle something we all struggle with, email. Imagine you open your inbox and it's full, 50 unread messages, a mix of important notes, spam, and things you'll get to later. What if AI could help you cut through it? I am using Gmail and Gemini, but you can do the same from MS Outlook, Office 365 with Copilot. My inbox is empty, so I will try the same request on my folder named Travel. Here's a demo. Open Gmail on the web. Navigate to the folder Travel. Ensure that the Gemini tab is open. If it is not, click on the Gemini icon. Type the prompt. Review emails related to travel and highlight the ones about Costa Rica. In seconds, AI can reduce stress and show you only what matters. Now let's test it with another email scenario. I asked ChatGPT to generate a fake email about a project with a lot of information. Now, I will open this email in Gmail and ask Gemini to review and summarize the key points, highlighting any action items. I will then ask the AI to create a response for me. Here is my prompt. Write a response to recap the important points and commit to completing the action items. I can now either insert the response or copy it and paste it into another email client. This is where AI goes from fun to life-saving. Next up, jobs. Whether you're applying, hiring, or just curious, AI can help. Say you've got a long job description. Instead of reading every bullet point, you ask an AI for help. I will demo this with MS Copilot. Open the sample job listing in OneDrive. If Copilot is not open, click on the Copilot icon. You can do the same in ChatGPT or Gemini. Just copy the full text and paste it into the chat box, or click the plus icon to open the document from your local drive. Then proceed with the prompts. Here is my first prompt. Highlight the essential skills and responsibilities. Boom, 2 minutes saved, or much more. Now, step 2. You can say, suggest how I should update my resume for this role. And finally, what interview questions might they ask me based on this job description? That's career coaching on demand. In other postings, I mentioned utilizing AI for research, fact-checking, and creative writing. Now let's stretch what AI can do. Let's delve into creativity. Because AI is not just for text. We can make images, videos, and music. Let's try this on the phone. You can use either ChatGPT or the Gemini app, or use a browser. Watch this. In ChatGPT, I type, generate a photorealistic landscape with lush meadow, a creek, and snow-covered mountains in the background. Instant digital art. Now let's push it further. We can take an existing still image and ask AI to turn it into a video. Imagine you have an old photo. Suddenly, it comes alive. Now let's go musical. With tools like Suno, AI can create a soundtrack from scratch. You just type, make a lo-fi beat with a relaxing vibe for studying. Use piano, acoustic guitar, and flute. In under a minute, you've got a track that didn't exist before. So, what have we done? We asked AI simple questions. We got it to handle messy email. We turned it into a job coach. We got creative with images, video, and music. This is how AI enhances your life, not by replacing what you do, but by making things faster, easier, and way more fun. Want to find out more? Get a copy of William Zain's book, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence.